Okay, so I know I'm wearing the same outfit in a lot of videos. We're just getting a lot done this weekend. One of the things that I wanted to get done was just do some maintenance on my kombucha. The Scoby, yeah, you guys can see that. Scoby's really, really big. It's got a lot of old growth. I'm just gonna refresh that, get the new growth on it, give the other ones out to my chickens, but I wanted to take you guys along and just show you just some of the, probably a yearly or every 6-month maintenance that I do. So last time I did it was last July, August, when I gave a whole bunch of Scobies away to people. So I'm gonna wash my hands first. Might actually get underneath my fingernails really good. Okay, I'm actually going to splash them with some vinegar just to kill any last little bit of stuff. This is the fun part. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little closer so you can see. So I'm gonna reach my hand in my jar and lift that big mama Scoby out. So I'm gonna just keep this bottom layer is beautiful. Very pretty, healthy. And the rest of this can just stay. Now I'm gonna go in there and scoop out some of the old yeast and Scoby bits that kind of die over time. You get just this kind of dead stuff in the bottom after a while. And I'll say, I've never read anything that says to do this. I just do it. Because I think it just, for me anyway, gives me a peace of mind that I'm taking care of it and it's staying healthy. And I wanted to do it before I filled back up my container with my tea. I'm gonna put my young, healthy Scoby back in. And then I will pour my next brew batch of tea that I just brewed, and it is at room temperature back in here. So I don't know, you guys, tell me, how do you take care of your continuous brew Scoby during the course of the year? Do you do something similar? Is there a step that I might be missing? But don't throw these away, especially if you have chickens or other animals that could benefit from them. You have friends that you can give them away. These make great starter Scobies. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put them in a Ziploc baggie with a little bit of the starter tea. Ask around if anyone wants any. If nobody wants any, then I'll go ahead and just cut them up and feed them to the chickens. Okay, well, we're back to brewing, and like I said, leave some comments in the comment section below if there's something else that I should be doing. Do you guys not do anything at all and it still works fine? I just start feeling like I start losing a lot of space with that big Scoby growing in there. So I'll talk to you guys later, and if you're not making kombucha, try it. It's really easy.